Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Experiencing IT. Today we're doing a quick overview of the main features of the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. Stay tuned. Okay, before showing you the specs and running you through the most important features of the Echo Dot, let's do a quick unboxing. So let's open this up. And on the inside part of the lid there is a small illustration indicating that you should download the Alexa app to set up the Echo Dot. On the right side of the box we can find some instructions and the power adapter. All Echo Dots are cabled, but you can make them wireless using a battery base, which will add, at the time of recording, around 40 extra bucks to the price of the speaker. And finally we have the speaker itself. The color this one comes in is charcoal. On the top of the speaker we have the volume up and down buttons, plus the action and disable microphone buttons. Let's have a look now at some quick specs. Weighing 340 grams, the new Echo Dot comes equipped with Wi-Fi 5, which is Wi-Fi AC, and Bluetooth 4.2, allowing you to connect, for example, some wireless headphones to the speaker. For the Smart Assistant features, this speaker uses, as mentioned before, Alexa. With the help of Alexa, you can perform a wide range of actions such as ask for weather updates, set timers, get answers to your questions, and even hear jokes. With the Echo Dot, you can also control a wide array of smart home devices, such as intelligent light bulbs, intelligent sockets, or video surveillance cameras. As for music streaming, you can use the Echo Dot to access all your music streaming services, such as Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, etc. You can also play the news and audiobooks through the Echo Dot. Boasting a bigger speaker than its predecessor, the sound quality of the new Echo Dot is quite balanced and enjoyable, if we don't push up the volume too high. The Echo Dot speaker is good enough for playing music in any given room of the house, or if you have several Echo Dots distributed around the house, you can combine them and play music in all rooms simultaneously. One other great feature of the Amazon Echo Dot is that it can also work as a Wi-Fi mesh network point, which means that each dot can be used as an extra antenna to increase the range and performance of your home network. But unfortunately, this feature is only compatible with Wi-Fi networks created by Amazon routers. So, in conclusion, if you haven't yet delved into the world of smart speakers or smart assistants, I believe the Echo Dot might be a good starting point, boasting several awesome features at an affordable price. Stay tuned for a full setup video of this same Amazon Echo Dot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you again in the next video.